Okay. So for me, I came in with an open mind, just waiting to see what else I could find out, what tools and techniques I could glean and take forwards. And for me, it was useful from the first weekend. So even though we only had 7 hours together from the Monday when I went into work, things were already improving. I thought I was a better coach from the Monday than when I'd left on the Friday. The ask what, not why was so powerful. I think cementing the difference between what an agile coach is and the roles and responsibilities and what a professional coach is and their roles and responsibilities. It was really good to know that we had that really good discussion, but that we were all on the same page and that there is a difference and we're expected to bring different things depending on what mode we're in. Great breakout sessions, great group of people to learn with, and lastly, great facilitation. Thank you very much, Rohit.
Yes.